सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर केन्ना सावन गोंयच्या पर्यायान पेडणेच्या झोनिंग प्लॅनाचो भाग जावन रावलो. गोवा बचावान गोंय सरकाराक प्रश्न विचारला. TCP मंत्र्याक कायदो खबर ना जाल्यार ताणें कदेल सोडचें आनी योग्य व्यक्ती ह्या पदाचेर येवची, सबीना मार्टिन्सान मागला. पेडणेच्या झोनिंग प्लॅनिंगाचेर आतां गोवा बचाव अभियानय फुडें येयलां. केंद्रीय मंत्र्यांची नांवां फुडें करून TCP मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन जें कितें चलयलां तें लोकशायेचो गळो आवळपी गजाल अशें गोवा बचावचें म्हणणें. वैज्ञानीक प्रक्रिया आपणावन आनी पेडणेची भौगोलीक अभ्यास आशिल्ले एक्सपर्ट आनी थळाव्यांक बरोबर घेवनच प्लॅन करचो. ते खातीर खाशेल्यो ग्रामसभा आफोवच्यो अशें अभियानाचे सबीना मार्टिन सुचयता.
The unprecedented uncertainty in planning that is happening in the state, and so which is inconsistent with all the democratic procedures that need to be followed for planning. We have our team of GBA who has been consistently monitoring how planning has been taking in the state, and we can see that time and again the procedures are not followed and the plans are being tweaked, changed to suit the interest of vested people, like vested interest. This is happening at such a fast pace that it is becoming difficult even for common people to keep track of what are the changes that are happening. The government is also very secretive about what it is doing, and we have a lot of RTIs which have been put, but we are not getting the responses, which very clearly indicates that the state wants to hide what it is doing. Okay, we now hear the TCP minister saying that we are going to keep the plans in abeyance, specifically with respect to Pedne zoning plan, and we are going to consult the central minister. Now, since when is the central minister part of the planning process? If you look at the 73rd and the 74th Amendment of the Constitution, it is the local people who have a say in the planning process, and the government should have made all the legal provisions, as well as provided inputs and given all the requirements that are needed to make a plan which is bottom up and where the local people given their input. And this is just not done. Goa is not a union territory. It has become a state, and the TCP minister should know that. You cannot be ignorant of the fact. If this basic understanding is not there, then the minister should step down. And we need people who will follow the democratic procedure. What we are saying is this inconsistent planning. Perne zoning plans are planned not following the regional plan and due process, but is investment driven as per item 5 in the 189th board meeting. Now, a zoning plan must flow from the master plan for Goa and compulsorily involve the people through gram sabhas or elected councillors. It must physically and scientifically take into consideration critical zones such as command areas, CRZ regulations, environment criteria such as slopes, rainfall and watershed areas before placement of hard infrastructure. It must be guided equally by representatives with interests in agriculture, economics, social science, and critically environment. So we don't repeat mistakes of skewed development, clustering, landslides, and flooding the way of Himachal Pradesh.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिक्स आनी संगीता ओली.